Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can animate your pictures in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open picsart.com and then log into your profile. What you need to do next is go ahead and create a new project and then click on Create Canvas. Now it will lead you to a new browser or new page where you can go ahead and upload a photo. So let's go ahead and hit the upload, click on upload, and then upload a photo or a picture. Then you can go ahead and drag it and drop it here. Now what you need to do is select this photo and go to FX Effects. You see the cartoon option over here. You can go ahead and click on it. After a while, it will give you options to animate your character or your picture. So you can see two options of cartoonify. You can go ahead and click this one and you can see that your photo will be turned into a cartoon. It's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is upload a photo and simply click on cartoon. This way your photo or picture will be cartoonified, and after you're done, just hit the export button and then click on download. After that, your photo will be downloaded. You can hit the open file and you can see that your photo has now been animated and turned into a cartoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.